Good morning, Honorable Principal Sir, present here all the teachers and my dear brothers and sisters. It's me Nandita, student of Standard 9, DPS Imrai, here to say about the topic putting an end to plastic. First of all, as we all know that plastic has become an integral part of our daily life. For almost all the daily activities, from bathing using bucket and mug to writing using pen is dependent on plastic. Plastic is durable, lightweight, cheap, so therefore it is widely in use. As it is non-biodegradable in nature, so it takes a longer period of time to decompose and cause lots of harm to our environment. We should replace using plastic with biodegradable items such as jute and cotton bags for carrying things and other reusable and eco-friendly products which does not harm our environment. Seeing the impacts of plastic pollution on our environment, the theme of Environment Day 2025 was also set on the same thing, beat the plastic pollution. And lastly, I would like to say that if you want your environment more beautiful and free of pollution, plant more and more trees and stop deforestation and other human activities that are harming the beauty of our environment. Thank you and have a memorable day.
Principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends, it's me Nandani from class 10 and I am here to give a short speech on Environment Day and my topic was say no to plastic. As we know that plastic is an essential product in our daily use life. We start our day like toothbrush. Toothbrush is also made up of plastic, its handle. And if we are starting the day with the plastic, then we can't even imagine how many plastic products we use in our daily day life. We can take an example of a common thing, water. When we travel, we use plastic bottles, which is the water is filled in a plastic bottle, and usually we drink the water and we throw the plastic bottle in land, and we didn't even think that if we are throwing that plastic bottle, it will not be decomposed and it will harm our land and it will also harm ourselves. Not only plastic can cause land pollution, it can also cause water pollution and air pollution. As it causes water pollution, as when we throw plastic products in water, it releases toxic substances and cause harm to marine life, and it can also harm us. When we drink that water, we can face many diseases, as when we burn that plastic, it releases many harmful gases which mix up in the air and causes harm to us, as it gives the diseases like asthma, and it can even cause to cancer. Plastics are the most harmful things, and we can also reduce those plastic uses. We cannot totally stop the using of plastic, but we can reduce the use of plastic, as we can follow the 5 principles of RS, like reduce, reuse, recover, recycle and refuse. And we can also use some jute, and when we go to shopping or when we go to buy some vegetables, we can use jute bags, we can use steel straws, we can use so many things which are not made up of plastic. We can take the another options beside of plastics. At last, I only want to say that if you will save the nature, then only nature can save us. If you will not throw plastic, then nature will not be harmed and nature will not harm us. Thank you and have a nice day.
Respected principals, present all the teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Teleswar Kumar. I'm a student of Standard 4, student of Standard 5. Today I'm here to deliver a short speech on the World Environment Day. On 5th June, the World United for World Environment Day has organized global call to protect the earth. Office, school, the government, other organizations and local bodies holds even environment issues. Them on theme of 2025 World Environment Day is putting on end the plastic pollution. World Environment Day was established in the 1972 during the United Nations Conference on this human environment held in Stockholm. Later that year, the UN General Assembly officially. Thank you.
Directors, respected principals, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Hima Day, I am a student of Standard 9, and today I am here to speak on putting on end of plastic pollution. Now I am start my speech. As we know that every day the 2000 garbage of trucks are thrown in ocean, rivers, etc. Plastics are made of plastics. Some plastics are spoons, polythene bag, etc. It are abundantly available in our market. It is non-biodegradable substance. It is harmful to us. The effect of plastic is it is harmful to us and it causes asthma, bronchitis, etc. Uh, the um, the causes of pollution, the causes of plastic is it is a non-biodegradable substance and it is harmful to us. The implementation of plastic pollution is we follow the 4 Rs principle: reuse, refuse, reduce, recycle. And the steps to prevent the plastic is we should not throw plastic in anywhere. We should throw plastic in garbage and we should minimize the use of plastic. We use jute and cotton bags. And the conclusion of plastic is very harmful to us and we should minimize the plastics. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Plastic pollution is the main cause for damaging our environment. The plastic pollution is caused due to the overuse of plastic, which cannot decompose, which is a non-biodegradable waste and cannot decompose by our environment. It is very harmful for our environment as it can cause land pollution and water pollution both. The living creatures which is present into the water on the land may die due to the overthrow of plastic into the water or on the land. So the two major steps that we can take to reduce the plastic pollution are uh, the we can use jute bag or other cloth bag instead of plastic bag in our daily uses. The second step that we can take is the material made up of plastic that we throw as a waste. We can reuse it or recycle it and convert it into the new product, and then we can use it. And at last, I would like to say that it is not only our government or few people responsibility to take initiative towards the plastic pollution. It can be only possible to reduce the plastic pollution when we came together and work hard to reduce the plastic pollution. Thank you. Have a good day.
And end of plastic pollution. So as we all know that the everyday equivalent of 2000 garbage trucks of plastics are thrown into the world's ocean, lakes and rivers. Plastic products like toys, bags, spoons, pens, etc. are abundantly available in the market. So they are non-biodegradable substance as it cannot decompose in water and sand, but they are adversely affect to our climate and environment when they are burnt. It also hurts the marine life when it is thrown into the water. It impures the water by releasing the toxic compounds. Plastic is a global problem which can also cause the air pollution. Regulation and voluntary measures have proven ineffective in stopping plastic from polluting and poisoning our earth. To put an end to the plastic crisis, we have to take in the following steps: recycle, reuse, and reduce. Thank you. Have a nice day. And end of plastic pollution. So as we all know that the everyday equivalent of 2000 garbage trucks of plastics are thrown into the world's ocean, lakes and rivers. Plastic products like toys, bags, spoons, pens, etc. are abundantly available in the market. So they are non-biodegradable substance as it cannot decompose in water and sand, but they are adversely affect to our climate and environment when they are burnt. It also hurts the marine life when it is thrown into the water. It impures the water by releasing the toxic compounds. Plastic is a global problem which can also cause the air pollution. Regulation and voluntary measures have proven ineffective in stopping plastic from polluting and poisoning our earth. To put an end to the plastic crisis, we have to take in the following steps: recycle, reuse, and reduce. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Sir, principals, sir, teachers, and all dear friends. Today I'm Bivanshu Das from Standard 9, standing in front of you all to give a short speech on plastic pollution. In today's world, the major problem of the whole world is plastic. The plastic is a non-biodegradable substance present in nature. It causes air, water, and land pollution also. It causes land pollution as follow. When we throw litter here and there, then the plastic is non-biodegradable in nature, which does not decompose on its own, and it releases toxic compounds in the soil. which pollutes the land, and it causes water pollution, as when we throw garbage in water, then the toxic compounds present in plastics releases in the water and also affects the marine life. And it causes air pollution, as when we burn a large amount of garbage, then a large amount of toxic and harmful gases releases into the air, which leads to several diseases like asthma, bronchitis, and even cancer also. The best way to minimize the plastic waste is 5R principle: reuse, refuse, recycle, reduce, and recover. Thank you.